Hello, everyone, and welcome. My name is Jessica Martinez, and I am with the quality improvement team we have at Chaparral Regional Hospital. We recently sent out surveys to our patients because of the complaints we have been having. The survey will gauge how the patient satisfaction is in the areas of our facility, the convenience, our staff, and the overall satisfaction. The patient experience is how willing our patients would be to come back and recommend our hospital for services. I have discussed many models in previous meetings. However, today we would like to discuss which one we will use, the PDSA, Lean, SMART, or Six Sigma. To give you an idea of what the survey looks like, we broke down these areas, facility and convenience, staff, and overall satisfaction into subcategories. The patient will rate their visit on a scale of 1 to 5. 1 would be poor and 5 would be great. Examples of facility and convenience would be our hours of operation, convenience of the location, the cleanliness, the waiting time in the reception area, and how comfortable they were while waiting. With our staff, they will be gauging how well they explained the procedure, answered questions, were friendly, helpful, knowledgeable, and professional, respected their modesty, and also respected their confidentiality. The overall satisfaction would be the patient experience, the overall impression of the visit, willingness to return, and the likelihood of referring others. With these results and implementing a quality improvement plan, we will provide exceptional care to our patients, staff satisfaction, and have a viable hospital, bringing us all together as a whole. Our task force will be led by myself, the team leader, Chief Operations Officer, and our team will consist of my assistant, who will act as a team facilitator, our CMO of the hospital, Chief Medical Officer, Human Resources, to discuss the concerns we have from our staff, and also stakeholders will consist of medical professionals who have implemented quality improvement plans and can offer their input and ideas. Now that we have chosen a process, we have come to an agreement with the Lean model. We will meet with our staff, who will become team leaders, to analyze the results for their department and implement a process to train to that staff. Let's look to a brighter, viable, efficient, and a hospital that provides quality, affordable care. As a team, we can do this. Thank you, everyone. Have a wonderful day. Should you have any questions, my information is listed here for you.